I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Before I spent 17 years fixing your AC, I was a nuclear power electrician. In that world, if you did not follow the schematic, things went south fast. Today, we're looking at two entry-level heavyweights in the packaged unit world, the American Standard Silver 14 and the Arcoaire PAB4. Both of these are basic tier models, meaning they are built to get the job done without extra bells and whistles. When we look at the build, we've got a rare, even playing field. Both the American Standard and the Arcoaire use wire grills to protect their condenser coils. From a technician viewpoint, this is a bit of a good news, bad news situation. The good news is cleaning these coils is a breeze because you can get your hose right in there without taking the cabinet apart. The bad news is your coil is vulnerable to hail stray rocks or mower debris that can bend the aluminum fins. Without louvered panels, you're relying on that wire guard to be the only line of defense for the heart of your system. Moving to the guts of the machine, we're looking at single-stage technology across the board. The American Standard Silver 14 pulls a slight lead in efficiency with a 14.3 SEER 2 rating, while the Arcoaire PAB4 sits at 13.4 SEER 2. That extra efficiency point means the compressor does less work to move the same amount of heat, which usually translates to a longer motor life and small electric bill savings. For the price, you're going to see a gap. The American Standard Silver 14 typically runs about $3,500 for the unit, with a total installed price around $7,500. The Arcoaire PAB4 is the budget king, usually found for about $2,800 for the equipment and roughly $6,200 for the full install. You are looking at a $1,300 difference. Since both of these use wire guards, those coils will get dirty faster than a louvered unit. Do yourself a favor and spray them down every spring. It will keep your head pressure low and your compressor happy. On the warranty side, it is a dogfight. Both give you 10 years on parts and the compressor, but Arcoaire includes a 3-year no-hassle replacement warranty. If a major component fails in those first 3 years, they swap the whole unit. American Standard sticks to a standard 10-year parts only deal with 0 years for full unit replacement on this model. The verdict, even with the wire grill, I'm giving the win to the Arcoaire PAB4. In the basic category value is the name of the game, and it is hard to justify the $1,300 premium for the American Standard. The Arcoaire gives you comparable build quality, similar noise levels, and a much better safety net with that 3-year replacement warranty. For a homeowner's bottom line, the Arcoaire is the smarter play. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool to compare all of the brands.